In 1831, the first electric motor was invented by Michael Faraday. Electric motors make fans go round. You know, the fans that cool your room, the fan that cools your PlayStation 4. Electric motors make car windows go up. Yeah, anything that goes whirry, roundy with the electricity is an electric motor. Electric motors are in air conditioners, blowing out the air. Vacuum cleaners, sucking in the air. And anything that converts electric energy into movement energy. Cars might go in straight lines, but it's a whirry, roundy on the wheels. Anything that moves due to electricity, energy. Michael Faraday. Anything that uses electricity, thanks to Michael Faraday. Someone else might have invented it, but Michael Faraday got there first. He was the first inventor. Michael also invented the transformer. This is the thing you plug in the wall to put electricity back into your phone to charge up your electrical batteries. Transformer. There was a bunch of movies called the Transformers because they could change from trucks into, robots. The transformers used to recharge mobile phones are called Trans means across, form means make. So transport means to go to another port. That's what the meaning was originally. The transformers used to recharge mobile phones are called chargers, to charge up your phone. Transformers change 240 volt mains electricity, the electricity that comes out of your plugs, or 120 volt electricity if you're in the USA, 240, 120 mains AC electricity into 3.7 volts DC electricity for your mobile phone. Volts after the man, volta. For your mobile phone. Michael also invented the dynamo. He did the engine, the transformer, the dynamo. He was the man. Dynamo. Dynamos in turbines turn steam's heat energy. Dynamos turn steam's heat rising energy, because when you make something hot, the atoms move faster. That makes them bang into one another more. That makes them spread out more. That makes them less dense, less pulled down by gravity. That's why hot things rise. So when you make water into hot steam, the steam goes up out of your kettle or up out of your turbine. And as it goes up, you use it to turn a turbine, and with the magnets and electrical wires, that gives you electrical energy in a power station. All of your electricity comes from power stations, unless you have some solar cells on your roof. Michael also made electricity go through liquids called electrolysis. He invented the science of electrolysis. Electrolysis. Michael. Electricity. With electrolysis, we can make things like aluminium saucepans. We can get aluminium much cheaper using electrolysis. Electrolysis. He noticed that if you double the number of electrons, this doubles the amount of atoms deposited at the anode and cathode. Yes, the cations go to the cathode, the anions go to the anode. The cations, when you're making aluminium, that's where the aluminium is going to be, at the cathode. The anode, if it's aluminium oxide that you're doing the electrolysis on, then oxygen goes to the anode, the anions, oxygen, and the cathode gets the cations. The aluminium, the metals are always the cations, they go to the cathode. Anode and cathode are the names of the wires put in the liquid. Cathode. At the anode, electrons are taken away. Anode. Electrons taken away. This is called oxidation, because oxygen takes electrons off of other atoms. And so oxidation is doing what oxygen does. Take electrons off. Oxidation. At the cathode, electrons are given. This is called reduction. They're pushed into the cathode to force the metals to be from aluminium ions, 3 plus, to aluminium that you can use for saucepans and aeroplanes. This is called reduction. When electrons are forced into atoms, that's called reduction. Michael Faraday was born into a poor family. Michael got his education by reading books while working. Yeah, he did lots of book reading. He didn't go to university and by working in a bookshop. He then got a job as a lab assistant and continued to learn throughout his life. Michael Faraday! What a hero! Oh, here we go. Chargers are the... chargers are the... T-word. Transformers. That... Transform... that change 240 volts pushy electricity from your wall to 120 in the USA from your wall sockets to the lower voltage for your mobile phone. Yeah, the lower voltage your mobile phone needs. Dynamos in turbines change the movement energy of steam rising to electricity in power station. Electrolysis is electricity going through liquids. At the anode, electrons are taken away. Anode. Electrons, this is oxidation. Oxidation at the anode. At the cathode, electrons are given. That's called reduction. Reduction. Yay! That's Michael Faraday. What a superhero. There's my card. I'm living in Hong Kong. My name's Good Luck Gary Stevens. You can get your mum to send me messages if she wants me to help out with your maths and science in the evenings and at the weekend. I work in the international schools. I do tutoring in people's homes at the weekend. My email address is goodluckgaryhk@gmail.com. If you like my videos, press like. If you want to get more of my videos, press subscribe. Yay!